Let's explore SAS for Microsoft 365. Bringing together SAS Viya and Microsoft 365 allows you to take advantage of the strengths of both worlds. You can use SAS Viya to prepare your data and create deep analytical insights, and then explore and share those results in the familiar Microsoft Office applications, including Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. If you have access to SAS Viya, I encourage you to follow along with me. Note that you will have to use your personal Microsoft 365 account and applications, but we will use data and reports that are included with SAS Viya, so there is no need to install any additional files to participate. Let's start in SAS Visual Analytics and open a sample report. Navigate to SAS Content, Products, SAS Visual Analytics, Samples, then open Warranty Analysis. This report has multiple pages and report objects that I would like to view and share in my Microsoft applications. I'll close the report, then right-click Warranty Analysis and select Add to Favorites. Now let's open Excel and create a new workbook. In the ribbon, you'll notice there is a tab for SAS Viya. If you don't see the SAS Viya plugin available, you'll need to work with your administrator to set it up. Note that in this demonstration, I'm using the desktop applications. However, SAS for Microsoft 365 works with the web applications as well. Select Home, and a panel opens on the right, prompting you to log in to SAS Viya. Once you are connected, you have access to all reports, data, and programs in the SAS Viya environment. In the Home tab, you can quickly access open, recent, and favorite SAS reports and data. From the More Options menu, you can modify your preferences. For example, one helpful option you can customize is the default size when inserting graphs. I'll keep the default and click Cancel. The first feature I'll highlight in Excel is the ability to insert content from your SAS Visual Analytics reports and SAS Viya jobs into a workbook. From the Report tab, expand My Favorites. I see one job and two reports available. Select the Warranty Analysis report. It may be helpful to expand the SAS pane for a larger view of the report. In the Results tab, you can view the different report pages. You can also interact with the report objects just like in Visual Analytics, including filtering the data using the button bar, drilling into hierarchy values, right-clicking an object to sort or explain values, or maximizing the view. Let's focus on the bar chart in the Cost Overview tab. Hover over the chart and click the Maximize icon. Select either the Object menu or right-click over the chart and select Insert in Document. An image of the bar chart is added to the Excel worksheet, along with an indicator of the filter selection. Select the graph image in the worksheet. The SAS ribbon provides options to update the object, remove it from the document, or unlink it from SAS. If you resize the graph, you may notice that the initial image will appear distorted. But if you click Selected Object, Update, or Update All from the SAS ribbon, the image will update based on the new dimensions. If you make changes to the report in the SAS pane, such as selecting a different year, then simply update the results again to refresh the graph. The detailed table below the bar chart can also be inserted into Excel as data. First, select a cell in the worksheet below the graph where you want to insert the table. Then right-click the table in the SAS pane and select Insert in Document. The table can be further enhanced in the worksheet by using Excel features. I'll highlight the header row in the report, then in the Excel Home ribbon, select Sort and Filter, and Filter. Then I can use the Option menu on Gross Labor Amount to sort largest to smallest. I can also select the data values under Gross Labor Amount and select Conditional Formatting, Data Bars, and click the orange Gradient Fill. Note that depending on the Excel modifications made in the worksheet, the changes may or may not persist after updating report objects. Hover over the bar chart in the SAS pane and click Minimize to return to the full report view. We have added 2 report objects, but you can also add all objects from a page. Select the Labor Details tab to view the 3 visualizations. Then right-click anywhere on the page and select Insert Active Page and Document. A new worksheet is created named Labor Details and includes the 3 charts. Next, let's explore the Data tab. You can view tables defined in your SAS environment and insert data into Excel for local exploration and processing. Select all tables, then you can view your available servers. Choose SAS Studio Compute Context Server, then select the SAS Help library and the Home Equity table. A new Results tab is now active, providing an opportunity to subset the data and select table options prior to inserting it into the Excel worksheet. In the General tab, change Insert Rows to All Rows. In the Columns tab, clear the checkboxes for the following columns: YOJ, DEROG, DELINQ, CLAGE, NINQ, and CLNO. In the Filter tab, you can either build an expression graphically or code the filter expression from scratch. Click Graphical Builder and confirm the selected variable is bad. Click the filter icon, then type 1 in the value field. When bad equals 1, it indicates the loan defaulted. You can also use the Lookup Value button to select values from the input data. Click OK. In the Sort tab, click Add to Sort and change the column to Loan. Create a new worksheet in the Excel file and name it Home Equity Data. Click the first cell in the upper left corner, then in the SAS pane, click Insert Table into Document. The selected data is added to the spreadsheet, and as we've seen before, you can take advantage of Excel functionality to enhance the view with filtering, sorting, and formatting. Not only can you view SAS data in Excel, but there is also an option in the SAS ribbon to upload data. That provides the opportunity to prepare data in Excel, then load it to SAS Viya for further analysis in applications like SAS Studio, Visual Analytics, or Model Studio. Let's examine the data more closely. Notice the column City is in lowercase. You could resolve this temporarily in Excel, or you could use SAS Code to create a new table with the proper case values. Select Programs and enter the following program in the Code tab: Data work.homeequity_update, semicolon, set SAS help.homeequity, semicolon, city equal prop case, parenthesis, city, close parenthesis, semicolon, and run. This data step will capitalize the first letter of each word in the city column. We can also include other SAS syntax to summarize or analyze data. Add a proc_freq step to generate frequency counts for the Home Equity _update table. Use the Order equal freq option to arrange the report by descending frequency. Add the table statement to count the number of loans by state. And include the No Cum option to suppress cumulative counts and percentages in the report. Click Run. The Results tab includes the frequency report. Create a new worksheet and select the upper left cell. Click Insert in Document to add the results. Let's say you want to make an update to the code. For example, return to the Code tab and add a title statement to provide a custom title, such as Number of Loans by State, and add the ODS NoProc title statement to hide the procedure name. Click Run. You can either update the results in the spreadsheet from the SAS panel by clicking Update in Document, or you can use the SAS ribbon to update one or all objects. Click Output Data to view the new table created by the program. Scroll to the right to confirm the City column is in proper case. click the Open icon to access the Results tab. Here you have the option to filter and sort the data and insert the results into the Excel workbook. In the Programs tab, there is a note indicating that the program is embedded in the document. This means that if the Excel workbook is saved, closed, and reopened, it will contain active links to your SAS content, as well as any embedded SAS programs. If you would like to save the program outside of the Excel file so that it is accessible in other applications or to your colleagues, click the More Options menu and select Save. You can name the file and choose a storage location in SAS content. Click Cancel. Notice in the More Options menu, there is also the ability to open a program, allowing you to access and execute code from an external file. Let's transition to Outlook to see some of the unique features available when sharing SAS content via email. In a new email message or meeting request, click SAS Home to access the SAS pane. From either the Home or Reports tab, open the Warranty Analysis report. In the Cost Overview report page, maximize the bar chart object. Use the Object menu for both the bar chart and the table to insert the content in the message, similar to what we did in Excel. Note that you can also insert individual report objects as a PDF. Or, if you select the More Options menu, you can attach the entire report as a PDF. There are many choices available to customize the document. In the Options tab, I'll ensure that Show Page Numbers, Include Table of Contents, and Include Cover Page are selected. In the Select Objects tab, clear the checkboxes for Detailed Cost Analysis and Labor Group Analysis and Forecast. Click OK. Open the attached PDF to view the result. Finally, you can add a link to the live report in SAS Visual Analytics. Simply place your cursor in the email message and click Insert Report Link in Message. Now you're ready to send your email filled with interesting report insights. We're not done yet. You can also insert report objects into Microsoft Word documents and PowerPoint slides. The features in both applications are similar, so I will just demonstrate in PowerPoint. In a new slide deck, change the layout of the first slide to Title Only. Type Cost Overview in the title box. From the SAS Viya ribbon, select Home and log in. In the Home tab, select Favorites and Warranty Analysis. Find the bar chart object and select the Object menu, then click Insert in Document. You can resize the graph to fill the slide. However, the view may become distorted. Simply click the Object menu and select Update All Objects in Document to regenerate the bar chart in the allocated space. Create a new slide and change the layout to blank. Insert the cost change from previous year by primary labor group bubble plot. Again, resize the image to fill the slide, then click Update All Objects in Document. You of course have the freedom to use all PowerPoint functionality to create beautiful, insightful presentations with embedded live results from your SAS reports. And there you have it. We've toured several of the applications that are supported with SAS for Microsoft 365. To learn more, I encourage you to check out our SAS documentation page.